You blocked me on Facebook, and now you're going to die. Now you're going to die.
We're having an airsoft war. He's using his Blowback M4. Jackson's using his new M416. Full Star 76. And this kid over here is using M14. So yeah, here we go. Get back to you guys when we start. Wait, what? Oh shit. Holy crap. Dude, that wasn't your spawn here. Alright. Revived. This is our new area, guys. It's really awesome. Let's move up, Hi. Hit. Alright, I got hit. I have to wait a minute. No, I have to wait a minute. Alright, I got like 30 more seconds. Our hour 40. Okay, we're gonna do 60 and 70 sub film combined because we won't have the time to do 2 films. So a trailer is gonna be uploaded this week. So sorry about the wait. The actual film will be uploaded next weekend. So look out for that. And the trailer is gonna be uploaded this week. All right, see Avery down there. I'm moving up here. I have no idea where Jackson is. This thing is heavy as a dick. Oh shit. Oh shit, okay, there's a person over there. Alright, I'm gonna spawn like right now. I'm gonna go this way. No. Where'd he go? Shit. Fuck, hit.
Oh shit, Jackson's right there.
I got hit.
Shit.
Someone over here. Ten more seconds. Back in! I'm gonna win this match. Oh my god, hit! Hit! Alright, 1 second, guys. Alright, Jackson's hitting everyone. Alright, Jackson just got a triple kill. So yeah. That was, we have to go now, so yeah, that was 1 round. So stay tuned for our next video.
I'm buying a holographic for this. Yeah, right. I have no time. How much is that? $30.
Stay tuned for our next video.
Holographic.